How to fix a paper jam in the HP OfficeJet Pro 9110, 9110E, 9120, 9120E, 9130, and 9130E all-in-one printer series. If, during a print job, your printer stops feeding pages and a paper jam error message displays on the control panel, you might be experiencing a paper jam. Follow these steps to troubleshoot the problem. After each step, try to use the printer again. If you encounter the same issue, continue to the next step. Step 1. Clear a paper jam from the print zone. Open the front door. Open the cartridge access door. Look inside the printer and remove any jammed paper found. Gently move the carriage to the left and right to fully inspect the print area for any jammed paper. Lift the handle of the paper path cover and remove the cover. Locate any jammed paper inside the printer. Grasp it with both hands and pull it towards you. Note: to avoid future paper jams, check the rollers and wheels for small pieces of paper. Be sure to remove all pieces of paper and debris. Reinsert the paper path cover until it snaps into place. Close the cartridge access door. Close the front door. Step 2. Clear a paper jam from the input tray. Press and hold the two buttons on both sides of the output tray to move out the output tray from the printer. Remove the input tray by pulling it all the way out of the printer. Check the input area underneath the printer. Remove any jammed paper. Insert the input tray back into the printer until it snaps into place. Insert the output tray back into the printer. For the OfficeJet Pro 9130 series, there is a second paper tray to clear. For this model, pull the second tray out of the printer completely. Check the area inside the printer where the trays were removed and remove any jammed paper found. Insert the second tray back into the printer. From the back of the printer, press the tab on the rear access door and open the door. Remove any jammed paper. Close the rear access door. Step 3. Clear a paper jam from the document feeder. For printer models with an automatic document feeder, or ADF for short, lift the document feeder cover. Pull any jammed paper out of the rollers. Close the cover of the document feeder until it snaps into place. Lift the document feeder tray. Remove any jammed paper under the tray. Close the document feeder tray. Step 4. Clean the paper feed rollers. Dust, paper fiber, and other debris might accumulate on the paper feed rollers and cause paper jams and paper feed issues. Clean the rollers to help prevent future paper jams. Gather the following items: a lint-free cloth or swab, and distilled, filtered, or bottled water. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord and disconnect any other cables. Lightly dampen the cloth with the distilled or filtered water, and then squeeze any excess liquid from the cloth. Remove the output tray. Pull out the input tray, and then gently tilt the printer back by about 60 degrees to access the printer base. Gently clean the rollers by wiping them with the cloth. Rotate the rollers to clean the entire surface of the rollers. Wait 10 minutes for the rollers to dry completely. Replace the input tray. Replace the output tray. For printer models with an automatic document feeder, or ADF for short, lift the document feeder cover. Remove all paper from the document feeder tray. If the cloth has dried, lightly dampen the cloth with distilled water again, and then squeeze any excess liquid from the cloth. Use the same method as before to clean both the rollers and the separator pad with the cloth. Note: if the roller surface does not come clean with distilled water, a light amount of isopropyl alcohol can be used as an alternative. Wait 10 minutes for the rollers to dry completely. Lower the document feeder cover. Step 5. Reset the printer. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and to the printer. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Turn on the printer to complete the reset. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.